Hi, good evening. How are you? All settled now? What is the feeling? What do you think would be the cutoff? Many people initially believed that probably the cutoff would be 115 and 120. Okay, we believe that it was an irresponsible statement to say the least. Okay, now when it comes to challenging the questions and the myth of bonus marks, all right, let me tell you one thing. That this expression bonus marks is actually a meaningless thing. Let's say that there's a particular question which is scrapped. Okay, either they wouldn't be giving any marks to anyone or they would be giving marks to everyone. So what difference does it make if they add 100 marks, okay, to the scores of each and every candidate? You think it makes any difference? That is only a psychological thing. All right. And the biggest problem is that let's say there's a particular question, there is this particular question, all right, which is scrapped. That particular question might have been attempted by some students and might not have been attempted by some other. All right, those people who have attempted the question must have spent some time. Okay, what happens to that time? Then this becomes a race of, okay, those people, two groups, one which had attempted it and had thus wasted some time, and then the lucky ones who hadn't spent any time on the question. This is extremely irresponsible on part of the CLAT consortium to have prepared a test with many errors. We are aware of a good number of errors already. Okay, but we shall still give them benefit of doubt. We shall ask you to do some questions once again. And then on some questions, on certain questions, we shall tell you outrightly that yes, these are incorrect and this is why they are incorrect. Okay, so we of course will be taking another session on this. As you can make out that this is part 1. Okay, so what we got to see, the number of errors which are there in the paper, okay, is reprehensible. Okay, all right, okay, so let's start. First of all, the objections can be filed till September 29, 2020, till midnight, that is tomorrow. So you have 30, in fact 25 hours, okay, for that. After which the link will be deactivated. They're very clearly said. The final answer key will be published on the 3rd October 2020. Okay, that is within 5 days from now. One more thing. Many students ask this question. Okay, that is it necessary for them to raise objection, okay, in order to get bonus marks? No. If a question is scrapped, okay, whether a particular individual has objected to that particular question or not, everyone will get bonus marks. That is the tragedy. Okay, please be informed. Okay, but ultimately, all this concept of bonus marks is actually a hogwash. It's nothing. This gives you psychological relief. It's a great injustice. All these test-taking bodies should be responsible enough to not come with the errors on such serious tests. Okay? All right? Any doubt? So, steps to file an objection: logging into your CLAT account. Okay? Then you have to click on the raise objections button, submit your objections, mention question number which you have an objection on. Okay? Objections received over email or phone calls will not be considered, of course. Okay? What else? Now, tomorrow, that is on 29th of September, a lot of things are going to take place for you. We shall do a detailed analysis of the legal reasoning section at 9 in the morning. Okay. Detailed solution of GK and current affairs at 10. Detailed solution of logical reasoning at 11 o'clock. Detailed solution of English at noon. Detailed solution of quantitative techniques at 1. And learnings from CLAT 2020 for CLAT 2021 at 8 in the evening. One thing which is not mentioned here, that is part 2 of the all important questions to be challenged. Okay, we shall let you know. Okay, we shall put that as a pinned comment to this particular session on YouTube. Okay, all right. Now many people, okay, almost wrote us off when we talked about these cutoffs, but we hold, okay, we hold to our opinion. Okay, we hold our opinion, and we had said that for the top 3, the cutoff should be 85, 87, for top 10, 80, 83, and for at least 1 NLU, 75. Okay, and the cutoffs might come down rather than going up. Okay, all right. Now, please do this question once again. This is the very first question. Okay, please do this. We have some problems with it. We shall tell you about the problems tomorrow. And in addition to the questions which we are going to show to you in this session, we expect you also, okay, to solve questions. And if you have any objection to any particular question, okay, please do write about that in the comment section of this video. Once this live session is over, okay, you will get access to the comment section. Okay, you please mention, okay, your objection there in the comment section, and we shall solve that question also for you in the session. Okay, so we somehow believe that there might be some problem with question number 1. Similarly, we believe that there might be some problem with question number 6 as well. Okay, all right. Now, similarly, some problem is there in question number 8, some problem in question number 11. Okay, please do all these questions once again, maybe 2 more times. All right. Then maybe question number 16. We shall come with our final verdict soon. But before that, we want you also to do these questions multiple times and write to us in the comment section of this video. We are there. We are together in this journey. Okay. All right. Next to this is question number 35. Question number 35. We believe, or our initial belief is that the answer may not be as given by them. Okay. By the way, you can, okay, explore this link also, but this is not our final verdict. This is not our final verdict. You also do your R&D, and we shall get back to you on each one of these questions, plus many more questions. Okay. And very soon you would come to know about the tamasha which they have done in the quantitative aptitude section also. Okay. Now, question number 63. Please do this question once again. Please do this once again. Okay. Similarly, question number 122. We want you to do it once again. Okay. These are the questions in which we have discovered some problem. Okay. Though our verdict is not final yet. Okay. We want your help as well. Okay. Please. Okay. All right. Question number 123 too. Questions 122 and 123 appear to be ambiguous. All right. Okay. Now, what else? Let's move from here. In fact, thus far, we haven't discovered any objectional item in the legal aptitude section. Okay, but that also is not final. As we told you that we shall be coming with another session on that. Okay. Now let's look at this question. I'm sure, but this time this question has become a hit. Okay. Directions, question number 146 to 150. The given figure, a goat is tied to a pole at point O. Okay. So this is where the goat has been tied. Okay. Which is the center of the semicircular plot. All right. So this is the center. Okay. The area of the plot is equal to its perimeter. Okay. BO is the length of the rope. So B is on the circumference. So BO is the radius. BO is the radius. Okay. That is obvious. All right. Answer to the closest decimal. All right. Okay. Now, this is your question number 146. The length of the rope is. Okay. This is given that the perimeter is equal to the area. What is the area here? First of all, the length of the rope, BO. Length of the rope is BO, and BO is equal to R. All right. So here, the circumference would be circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So of a semicircle would be, okay, the length of this would be pi r, half of 2 pi r. Okay, pi r plus AO plus OC. So that is 2r. Isn't that? This is equal to half of pi r square. Okay. So if I take r common, I get pi plus 2. And here I get 1 by 2 pi r square. Okay. R can get cancelled. From here I get r is equal to 2 pi, okay, plus 4 divided by pi, which is equal to 2 plus 4 by pi. Okay, this is the answer, 2 plus 4 by pi. They have given the answer as C, which is incorrect. So Gradeup's verdict is that this is incorrect. The correct answer should be 2 plus 4 by pi, okay, which is none of the options. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Okay. Now let's move to the next question, and you will see the height of stupidities here in this set. Let's come to question number 147. The area of the plot. Okay, they have given answer as B. Okay, the correct answer to this question should be 16.83. The correct answer to this question should be 16.83. The correct answer to this question, okay, correct answer to this question should be 16.83, mind you. But of course, for that you have to take radius as 2 plus 4 by pi. Okay, 2 plus 4 by pi. So the correct answer should be 16.83. Alright, and here, with not that they have committed one blunder, they have committed two blunders. Okay, even if I take radius as 2 plus 2 by pi, even if I take the radius as 2 plus 2 by pi, okay, half of pi r square. What will be the area? The area would be half of pi r square. Okay, half of pi r square, that incidentally comes out to be 10.91. Okay, 10.91. But here, in order to get 21.83, you know what they have done? They haven't taken half of pi r square, they have taken pi r square. So if you take r is equal to 2 plus 2 pi, pi r square comes out to be 21.83. Correct answer, I have already told you, correct answer would be 16.83. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, now let's move from here. So here these two questions 146 and 147, both have to be challenged. None of the given options is correct in either 146 or 147. So they are certainly going to scrap these two questions. What about question number 148? Surprise, surprise, surprise. Answer to question number 148 is actually D. Cannot be calculated with the given data. Shall I tell you why? If a triangle is created by joining points A, B and C, what will be the length of AB? They want you to get this length AB. Okay. First of all, B is a variable point. We do not know. We do not know. The answer they have given as A is anyway incorrect. Okay. In getting 3.73 also they have assumed R to be a value which is incorrect. But that is not the only problem. The bigger problem is that point B. This point B is a variable point. Is a variable point. Okay. Is a variable point. Is it given anywhere? This is not given. This is not given. This is not given anywhere in the question that the angle AOB is 90 degree. This is nowhere given in the question that angle AOB is 90 degree. Okay. Since this is not given, okay, we cannot get the length of AB. we cannot get the length of AB. This 3.73, even with the incorrect value of R, can be the maximum value of AB. Okay, actually cannot be even the maximum value of AB. Forget that. Okay, so here the answer, the actual answer should be cannot be calculated with the given data because B is a variable point. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 149. What will be the area of the triangle ABC? Answer A. Again, in giving answer A, they have committed not one but two blunders. One blunder that they have taken R is equal to 2 plus 2 by pi, which itself is incorrect. The second blunder that they have assumed this angle to be 90 degree. They have assumed this angle to be 90 degree, which is nowhere given. Which is nowhere given. Okay, so here also the actual answer should be option D. Okay, cannot be calculated with the given data. Cannot be calculated with the given data. I'm sure you're convinced. Okay, all right. Shubham is saying that some are telling. Shubham is saying that some are telling that cutoff will be above 100. We have our sincere objections to such feelings. Okay, we sincerely believe that the chances of the cutoff going above 100, okay, is 0.01%. Okay, so here in question number 149, the actual answer should be option D. Okay, now let's move to question number 150. What is the perimeter of the triangle ABC? How can you get the perimeter of the triangle ABC if B itself is a variable point? B itself is a variable point. Why? Because this is not given. This is nowhere given that angle AOB is 90 degree. Mind you, this is again nowhere given. So answers to questions 148, 149 and 150. All these three answers cannot be determined because B is a variable point. This is nowhere given that angle AOB is 90 degree. Okay, that is Gradeup's final verdict. So all these 5 questions, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150 should certainly be challenged. Okay, should certainly be challenged. Most probably they are going to scrap 3 questions, 146, 147 and 150. They are going to scrap. Okay, and in case of questions 148 and 149, I do not know what they are going to do. Okay. And then there are many other questions which we have shared with you, which you have to do. You have to work on them and you have to get back to us by putting your comments here. By putting your comments here in the comment section. All right. Any doubt? And not that our list is exhausted. Even beyond those questions. Okay. If you believe that there's a question where the answer is incorrect, please do mention that in the comment section. We will make it a point to solve that question also for you. All right? Okay. Now, what are the sessions tomorrow? Important sessions related to CLAT 2020. Detailed solution, legal reasoning at 9 in the morning. Detailed solution, GK and current affairs at 10. Detailed solution of logical reasoning at 11 o'clock. Detailed solution of English at 12. Okay, detailed solution of quantitative techniques 1 p.m. Of course, we have already done 1/3 of quantitative techniques. Okay, and what lessons CLAT 2020 gives for CLAT 2021 at 8 in the evening. Not only that, there would be another session, all important, part 2 of this, that also would be taken tomorrow. Okay, where we shall give you Gradeup's final verdict. Okay, on all the questions to be challenged. There are problems. We believe that the total number of objections would probably be in the range, okay, of 10 to 15. We have already told you about these 5, 146 to 150. Probably there would be 10 more objections. There would be 6 to 10 more objections. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. What else? Upcoming examination, Maharashtra CET LLB 5-year. Okay. 11th of October. Please do prepare well for that. Okay. There you will get a lot of questions on current affairs, one-liners, the way they used to ask earlier in CLAT also. Okay. Quantitative aptitude can be expected to be difficult, and even analytical reasoning can be expected to be difficult. Okay. And all those people who have to prepare for CLAT 2021, ALET 2021, Maharashtra CET 2021, okay, please do subscribe to this superb course of Gradeup, okay, in which you get structured live courses, full syllabus coverage, complete doubt resolution. Needless to say that we have the best faculty in the industry, okay, performance and report card as well. And what can be the duration of this subscription? It can be 24 months, 12 months, and a month. Okay. What else? Upcoming courses, CLAT 2021, a comprehensive course. Okay, where we are going to discuss each and everything. And of course, all the learnings which we have taken from CLAT 2020 will certainly be, okay, implemented here. All right. Okay. Now, what about CLAT 2022? We're going to start a course on CLAT 2022 as well, which would be a comprehensive course for CLAT 2022. Enrollment will start on 5th of October. Okay, and who are the faculty who guide you? Shurojit Bhaduri from NLU Gandhinagar, Shantanu Jha from NLS Bangalore, who had got AIR 47 in CLAT. Okay, Devajyoti Das, Dev D. Okay, Dev D, who had got AIR 20 in the entrance test for NLSIU Bengaluru in the year 2006. Oh, in 2006 it was Bangalore and not Bengaluru. Okay, Prashant Dubey from Ram Manohar Lohia National University, Lucknow. Okay, Savitri Ma'am, 26 plus years of experience. Okay, we all need to learn so much from her. Okay, Sanojam, a master of critical reasoning and reading comprehension. So is Naveen Iyer. Ashutosh Gupta, a veteran, 16 years of experience, and has sent so many people to NLUs and the IMs, okay, that we probably cannot even count. Ankit Sharma, your favorite, okay. Ankit was very sad today. He said that from my section, okay, they hardly asked 2 or 3 questions, okay. So he's a worried person today. But anyway, Ankit, there are other examinations, okay. 2, Pranab Pant, aptitude examination expert. Nowhere they put my name. But anyway, so prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. We shall let you know about the second part of this session. Okay, all important second part of this session as a pinned comment. Okay, please do attend that session, and more important, please come with all your objections and do think about the questions which we mentioned. All right. Okay, has been a long day for you. Please try to sleep now. Good night. Good night.